Welcome to Bedrock Motors, the Upper Midwest's largest auto wholesaler. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in our inventory, and comes equipped with tow hooks, steering wheel mounted cruise control, hill holder control, trailer stability control, steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, stability control,
air conditioning, traction control, cruise control, daytime running lights, and much more.
Since 1975, Bedrock Motors has been providing top-notch customer service and high-quality vehicles to our friends and neighbors here in the Twin Cities northern suburbs. We specialize in lifted trucks and Jeeps, and we ship inventory from all over the country. We pride ourselves on having the best pre-owned vehicles on the market and are happy to offer quality vehicles at an affordable price. So come see us at Bedrock Motors today.